Bo is jumping 6 meters every time, whilst Ing starts with 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. So Ing's going to be jumping a smaller amount and getting like behind. But at some point, when he starts going 7 meters, 8 meters, 9 meters, it's going to start catching up. So at some point, it's going to catch Bo up. Now, Bo is going to go 6 meters, then 12, and then 18. Actually, after n jumps, he will have gone 6n meters. Now we need to set that equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. And here's the thing, if you do not know about the following formula, this I don't know how you would do this question apart from trial and error. Yeah, that would work. And I'll talk about a bit about that at the end. But this is worth knowing. If you add the first n whole numbers, it's actually a half n plus 1. This is the sum of the first n whole numbers, or the formula for the nth triangle number. Because you get 1 plus 1, then you get 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and so on. And these form little triangles. So I talk about this quite a lot in solutions because actually it comes up a fair amount. But basically, become aware of this, and it's really useful just for adding up lots of numbers really quickly. Say 1 to 100, it would just be a half times 100 times 101, which is 50 times 101, which is 5050. Neat. In this case, right, we don't know how many jumps Bo's made. That's what we want to figure out. So I can write down a half n plus 1, and I've created an equation. So if I double both sides, it's going to be 12n is equal to n plus 1. Expand the bracket, n squared plus n. And this becomes n squared minus 11n equals 0. Yeah, our whole point is to get a quadratic equal to 0 because then we can factorize. And we find out they're in the same position after 0 jumps, which is not surprising, or when this bracket is 0, which is when n is 11. So Ing catches up Bo after 11 jumps. And I just want to talk about how you do this with trial and error. You'd have to sort of say, we've got 6 and then 1, we've got 12 and then 3. Okay, maybe jump ahead a little bit because you can see that they're getting ahead. So maybe let's go with 10 jumps. That would be 60. And over here, we'd have to add the first 10 number, first 10 whole numbers by hand. Um, we could pair them up though. We could get 10. We could get 10. By the way, this idea is actually fundamental to the proof of, or what? One of the proofs of the above formula. Get another 10. We get another 10. So how many is that? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 55. Okay, so actually you see at this point after 10 jumps, pretty close. So then it becomes 66, add on another 11, and we get 66 as well. So that works here, but you can get away with it, but much better to kind of learn this and be able to solve a quadratic.